Hello and welcome to this training session in which I'm going to take you through how to place a trade in the Vantage FX MetaTrader 4 platform. This video is for information purposes only, it's not a recommendation to trade. So placing a trade is easy, and there's a number of ways you can do this, and I'll take you through them now. One of the easiest ways is actually to go to the currency pair in the Market Watch section on the left hand side, right click on the pair, go to New Order, and the order box appears here. You can choose the currency pair that you're looking to trade by going to Symbol, clicking the drop down menu, and here you can select the currency pair that you're looking to trade. Here I'm going to check trade with Eurodollar. Next important thing before you actually commit to a trade is the trade size. This can be changed here in the volume section. You already have a number of preset volume sizes to trade, and just remember that one lot is 100,000 units of the base currency, and if you go to trade 5 lots, for example, you are trading with 500,000 units of the base currency. If you didn't see a particular trade size from the drop down menu that you wanted to trade with, then you can very simply write over the trade size that you actually want to trade with. Now the next step to be aware of is to ensure that market execution is valid rather than pending order. And down here you can choose whether you want to sell or to buy the currency. In this situation I'm going to buy, and you can see here that the trade was successful and you now have a trade reference number. So press OK to there. Now what you will see is that down here the trade has been entered in the trade section. Another really useful way to create a new trade is to go to New Order up here in the menu bar, left click there with your mouse and the Order tab appears again. Although the easiest way is there's a number of shortcuts on the MetaTrader 4 platform, and F9, if you click that, is the shortcut to place a new order. So very simple to use, and there's a number of ways that you can go about placing an order. And that just about covers this video on how to place an order on the platform.
If you're ready to take action now, please click on the link below this video for more information.